Tutorial of FIAT SIP22 to cut by bidding by the square meters tank CNC key cutting machine. Turn on the machine at first. And then connect the machine by Bluetooth. Click Cut by Bidding. Search the key SIP22. Click the key SIP22. Here is the guide picture of installation. Install the key depending on the picture. Pay attention, the stopper has to be against the shoulder. Tighten the screws. If ready, click Continue and click Identify. Key bidding is appeared. Please install a piece of key blank. Key bidding is ready, and click Cut. One side is okay. Use the same way to install the other side. Click a cut on Apps and then start to cut the key. Compare the key bidding. Trying to turn the lock. It's nice. Try the other side. Perfect.